Too many storms have passed your way, and you're all washed out, 'cause it rained on your parade. Seems nobody cares about you anyway. Now you're living your life like a castaway. Search for strength inside. Was it all in vain? 'Cause the deeper you dig, you find more and more pain. Don't let your tomorrow be like yesterday. 'Cause I spoke to God. I called out.
Hello, it's Evelina Jackson, work at home mama for doing her thing with God's help. I looked at a video yesterday and it really troubled me to see on Dr. Oz that there was a 3-generation obesity. That is something that so many Americans are facing and struggling, trying to lose weight, thinking about doing the gastro bypass surgery, thinking about doing liposuction, just thinking of doing all type of things to try and get rid of the weight. Well, I wanted to shoot a video to let you know that it's not necessary to do all of those things. I have been able to go from a size 12, a solid 12, to a 6 in 8 weeks, just by wearing a phenomenal garment that allows you to drop 2 to 3 sizes instantly. But I've been able to drop 6 sizes, guys, in 8 weeks, along with the nutritional products that Artist International has to offer. I am so excited about the new possibilities that are coming forth. I will probably be in a size 4, and then once I get to that 4, I think I'm gonna quit. That's gonna be enough weight loss for me. But I want to be able to tone everything up and, you know, just look nice and look build my confidence up, you know. And I love to see the transformation that women get when they put this garment on and see that they are able to get in clothes that they may not have been able to get in years. But to get back to the root of the problem, the obesity, this garment will restrict you from eating as much. This garment will also allow you to curb your appetite. It will begin to strengthen your core muscles. It will align your spine. It will give you back support where you're not hunched over, and you're able to sit up straight and feel, you know, confident, walk into a room and demand attention. That's some of the benefits that the Body Magic offers. But then on top of that, we also have a nutritional line that is like none other. Then we have a skincare line that is made by the same people that make MAC and Estee Lauder. That is speaking volumes in itself. And then on top of that, if you're looking for a work at home opportunity along with looking good and feeling great from these products, Artist International is the company for you. No other MLM company is offering you health insurance for your family, because Artist knows how important it is for you to have health coverage. And they don't look at us as distributors, but they actually look at us as family members. They came and they want us to be healthy. They want us to be able to take advantage of everything that they have to offer. They have a compensation plan like no other. If you are interested in learning more, please go to my site and fill out the page there at www.changein10minutes.com/mom of 4, and I will be glad to speak with you and give you further information, answer any questions you may have, and welcome aboard the team. I'm going to go ahead and welcome you to the family right now. Thanks, and be blessed.
I'm praying for you. Be blessed. Oh, be blessed. He can change your situation in a minute. Just be blessed.